Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to make newsletters on HubSpot for your email marketing campaigns. So if you're not aware already, HubSpot is a CRM platform with all the software integration and resources to connect all the different teams within your company. So your sales, your marketing, services, customer service, so on and so forth. Everything that you would need basically is within this platform, and it's been a life changer for multiple companies, well, hundreds and thousands of companies across the globe, to help scale and run their business operations more seamlessly and all within one platform. So if you'd like to check HubSpot out, I've put the link to it in the description box below. But we're going to move on now to the actual marketing bit, and that is the newsletter. So head on to your account, and under marketing, I want you to click on the email in the drop down menu. And as you can see, there's a few emails that I've saved, but I'm going to create a new one. So you want to go to the top right hand corner and go on and click on create email. I'm going to click on the regular email because I'm not creating a blog or anything. It's going to be a newsletter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on and click on the newsletter. Now you can pick from whichever template that suits you, but I just prefer the newsletter template just because it has everything set up for me just to go on and customize and make it my own basically. Right, so in the video you can add your own image by clicking on replace image and then upload images from the bottom. You can see the orange button, click on it and it will upload. So you can upload your images from your desktop, your files, your photo library, whatever you want, but I just had it saved, so I just uploaded it. Now you can add images, as you can see where there are placeholders. Now these are great because it reminds you that you can add something there to break up the text, and it works really well with marketing campaigns. I'm going to go ahead and edit the text. So I want it to be something to do with New Year's, so I can say here's what's new in 2024. Or perhaps I can say Happy New Year and, have like a welcome message or something to go with it, just to keep my, the clientele that I'm targeting, on the hook. And I basically get an excuse to email them, which we love as marketers. So in the email, I can mention some new features about what we have to offer. So let's say we have if I'm offering a software that helps you organize your different teams and makes it all seamless, then I would highlight the features and then I would suggest how companies can scale in 2024, because that is what the email is about. It's about 2024. It's about the new year or whatever year you're in. So what I'm going to go is I can actually go ahead and design my images on Canva. I can upload from Shutterstock, or I can just upload from my own library. You obviously follow the same steps. You just have to go and replace and add whatever you want. I'm going to skip that step for now. You can add socials and then edit them. So if I click on edit, I can add my URL for my Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and whatever else I'd want to connect. I can change the format and the layout of the newsletter, so I can decide what I want it to look like. I'm pretty much happy with the way it looks right now, so I wouldn't really change it. And then in the design tab, you can go on and change the background color of the template, so I can make it white, or I can make it orange. Whatever the brand colors you have, you can try and play with that, just so that you give a flavor of what the brand has to offer, and obviously doing that within consistent brand guidelines. So I'm obviously sending an email about New Year, so I want it to be exciting, but at the same time I want it to be consistent with the brand HubSpot in this instance, which is what company I've decided to use for this demo. So you can go on and edit the different colors, the fonts, the sizing, everything, the dividers, the color of the divider, everything is customizable within the HubSpot design tab. So you can go on and do that until you're happy with the final product. So I'm just going to go on and make a final few tweaks just to see what I can do to make it look the most impressive for my New Year's newsletter. Now this will be part of my marketing campaign where I want people to obviously click and reach out to the company. When I want to send, I can obviously click on review and send. You'll need to add a few information within the settings tab, which will allow you to send the email. You can't send the email until you do that. So make sure you enter a subject line, preview text, your email that you would want to send from, the email that you would want to send to, or the kind of people you want to send to from your contacts. You can literally pick one person, or you can pick a whole list of people. So all the influencers, or all the subscribers, or all the clients that you have, all the inbound leads that you have, everything that you'd want within your contacts, you can use as a list to review and send an email to. You can also schedule it for whatever time you'd want to send them. And it's pretty much as easy as that. When you're ready to send it, you just go into the top right corner and you click review and schedule, or review and send, depending on which option you picked. So that is pretty much how you use HubSpot's email to make a newsletter for your marketing campaign. As you can see on the screen, there's over 194,000 customers in over 120 countries that grow their businesses every single year with HubSpot. There's DoorDash, there's Eventbrite, Reddit. All of these big companies that you hear are actually part of HubSpot and are continuously using HubSpot as we speak, which does not come as a surprise because they're doing really well with their management, clearly. And if you'd like to get there, then I would highly recommend HubSpot. If you'd like to check it out, I've put the link to it in the description box below, as I always do. If you did find this video useful, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, follow for more, and also leave a comment down below on what you thought about the video, what you think about HubSpot, and if there's any questions that you'd like to ask, I'd be more than happy to answer them. But that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time.